Hey everyone, welcome back to the EnvyWigs YouTube channel. This is Wig Reviews with Amber, your go-to space for all things wigs, fun, and fabulous. If you are new here, be sure to click that subscribe button and like this video. It will help that wig-loving algorithm to find us. So quick question, have you ever felt like your wig was a wool hat in July? Same. We're talking styles, caps, and care, and all the hot weather hacks to keep you cool, confident, and really cute, even when the sun is doing its most. So first things first, why summer calls for a wig switch up? Let's face it, heat and humidity can turn even your favorite wig into a mini furnace. But don't worry, the key isn't to give up your glam, but to choose the right wig for summer. A few tips to finding the right wig for those hot months. Number 1, look for lightweight density. Number 2, go for a breathable cap construction, such as an open wefted wig that gives you great air ventilation, or even the SoSoft cap design. Go for shorter styles or even relaxed lengths, and avoid heavy fibers and wigs in extreme heat. Let's break down my top summer wig picks and why they are lifesavers when the temps rise. First up, the Kari wig, which I'm wearing right here. This is the Cool Girl Pixie Bob. Kari features Envy's SoSoft Lace front, and this is a ready-to-wear synthetic. Why does Kari work in the summer? She's short, she's breezy, and you have that irritation-free lace. Style tip, pair with some statement earrings and maybe a cute sundress. Next up, let's talk about Charlotte. Charlotte features a lace front and a middle monofilament top. This is a loosely waved long bob or lob, and this is traditional synthetic fiber. Why does Charlotte work in the summer? You have this airlight wave and a beautiful invisible middle part. Style tip, use Envy's Get Dressed Invisible Texturizer and Shine Dimmer. You can really ramp up the volume on these loosely dropped curls, give her a nice shake, and you are ready for out on the town on those summer nights. Next up, let's talk Marsha. Marsha is Effortless and Airy. Marsha is a mid-length bob with the SoSoft cap construction. You have beautiful textured wave, a front fringe, a lace front, and a full mono top. Marsha is light and off the neck, which is fabulous for those hot summer days. You have that itch-free comfort with the SoSoft lace front, and you also have a nice light density and just very movable texture. Style tip, let air dry upside down for that natural lift. Last up, we have the Belinda wig. We did a full review on Belinda, so you'll have to check that out. But if you like longer styles, Belinda is a fantastic option. She has length, but she's nice and light. Belinda features a lace front and a hand-tied left monofilament part. And she also features an open wefted back, which I mentioned earlier is fantastic for air ventilation during those hot moments. Why she works for summer? Well, you have the length if that's what you like, but she's light and not overbearing. You don't have the bulk, and you also have that breathable cap construction. Style tip, detangle gently after each wear from the ends up and then store on a wig stand. Which one of these styles would you wear to a summer barbecue? I want to know. Comment below. Now, let's talk about hot weather wig hacks, tools, care, and liners. Cap construction matters. For instance, if you choose an open wefted cap, you have great airflow, whereas a fully hand-tied cap can be a great option in the summer months because it's soft and flexible. Envy's SoSoft Lace front is fantastic for those hot days and just that uncomfortable, itchy feeling. Another very important tip is keeping your wig fresh. Use Envy's travel kit. This is perfect for summer care. Whether you're on vacation or you just want a perfect size for your bag while you're on the go, using Envy's care kit is going to help prolong the life of your style and help it look fresh and vibrant all through those summer months. You'll have the wash and wear shampoo, the Tangle Tamer leave-in conditioner, the Shine On Lusterizer, and one of my favorites, the Freeze Frame Hairspray. Another fan favorite for a midweek wig pick-me-up, try the Renew and Repair Glosser Spray. This revitalizes dry and damaged ends due to normal wear, leaving synthetic fibers feeling rejuvenated and create sheen and luster. Now some options of what you can wear under your wig. First up, Envy's Bamboo Wig Cap Liner. This is a very soft material and it's moisture wicking, which is great for those sweaty moments. It also has the silicone grips on the underside of the cap, so it stays nice and secure under your wig. This is a very soft, comfortable option for even the most sensitive scalps. You have your antibacterial properties, and this is great for those going through chemotherapy. Next, you have Envy's Fishnet Liner. This is light, breathable, and it holds hair securely. You have max airflow with these fishnet liners, which is great for everyday wear. Whether you are planning a beach vacay or you just want to survive that backyard barbecue, Envy has you covered. Choose breathable caps and lighter options. Clean and care for your wig regularly. Use wig liners that boost comfort. Choose styles like Kari, Marsha, Charlotte, and Belinda for that seasonal refresh. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe and tap that bell for more wig wisdom to come. Got a favorite Envy wig or possibly a summer wig hack or tip? Please comment below. Let us know. I love to hear from you. And just as a reminder, I encourage you to go check out the EnvyWigs Instagram and social media platforms. We often have lives and giveaways and lots of education. Until next time, stay cool, confident, and keep loving your look. Bye.